Today we are in Keranj as we were campaigning for Mrs. Bharti Heble, who's sitting in ward number 4 for CCP elections. And the worst thing is what we've heard is the locals complaining of overflowing of water during the rainy season. And now you can see that this is a channel which runs through right up to Panjim. It's all been clogged. Plastic, garbage, everything is dumped. And all the water overflows over here in this area. Especially you can see all these houses over here. All these houses have been getting affected every rainy season. It's been happening for the last 10 years. In spite of that, whoever was the previous Kishore Shastri, he was the previous cooperator over here. Regular complaints have been given to him, but yet nothing has been done. You can see for yourself. I'm just not talking out of the blue. You can see this has been years of the whole channel have not been cleaned at all. The bushes are big. Nothing has been done in spite of regular complaints. So requesting the people of Panjim and people of this whole area, right from Donapal side, to please this time vote for a panel that will work for the people. Please don't support the Montserrat panel and vote for we Ponjekars because we deserve better. This area falls under Taligang constituency. The MLA Jennifer Montserrat till date has not come and addressed their problem over here. So please, requesting all of y'all to vote for a change this time because people deserve better. This is not what we need. There are senior citizens staying over here. And she's our senior citizen and she's been so upset being the candidate over here to hear from them that they have so much of water field every rainy season, and yet nothing has been done. Please do vote for a change, and for this area in Keranj, please vote for Mrs. Heble in ward number 4. Thank you very much.